Pica. Pica is an eating disorder, characterized by the persistent craving and consumption of non-food items, such as dirt, paint chips, ice, or hair, that have no nutritional value. Why it called pica? The term pica comes from the Latin word for the magpie bird, Pica pica. Medical professionals chose this name because the magpie has a long-standing reputation for being an indiscriminate eater that will scavenge and consume almost anything, including unusual non-food objects. What are the main types of pica? Pica is often categorized based on the specific non-food item consumed. While many substances can be part of the disorder, there are a few primary types recognized by medical professionals. These are Pagophagia, Geophagia, and Amylophagia. Let's discuss them in details. Pagophagia. It is the compulsive consumption of ice, freezer frost, or ice drinks. This is the most common form of pica, and is often linked to iron deficiency anemia. Geophagia. It is the intentional eating of earth substances, such as dirt, soil, clay, or sand. This can lead to parasite infections or lead poisoning. The last main type is Amylophagia. It is the craving and eating large amounts of raw starches, including cornstarch, laundry starch, or uncooked rice and pasta. Besides these main classes, there are also other specific classifications. Medical literature uses various terms to describe other ingested substances. Trichophagia. It is the consuming of hair or wool, which can cause dangerous hairballs, bezoars, and intestinal blockages. Xylophagia. It is the eating wood-based products, most commonly paper, cardboard, or toilet paper. Lithophagia. It is the ingestion of stones or pebbles. Metallophagia. It is the consuming of metal objects like coins, nails, or pins. Hyalophagia. It is the consumption of glass. And the last is plumbophagia. It is the ingesting of lead-based items, such as lead paint chips, which is a major cause of lead poisoning in children.